car's been sitting in here for over 20 some odd years. Since 1998. Alright, so the plan here is to make sure what tires move and what tires don't move, so we can devise a plan to get it out of here. The tow truck can't come in this way. So that's what we're going to work on right now. Okay? Seems to be stuck. All right.
So you can't put it in neutral?
No. Which means that even if I clear this up, it's going to be hard to tell. But is it stuck because it's not in neutral? I don't know. So first let me lubricate it. I might have to take the drive shaft off.
So all positive things so far, correct?
Everything but this tire. But hopefully it's just a matter of me putting it in gear, in neutral, and our problem will be solved. I'll find out in a minute.
What happened?
I'm just looking at the air of the tires. Is it enough to get it out of here? Or do I have to go put some air in it? It turns out that the linkage is disconnected here. So this is the linkage, it's disconnected right here. So in reality, all I have to do is turn it. So I'm assuming that's park, right? Huh. Well, we'll see. All right.
Oh yeah, the stick is moving.
Can you put it in park? All the way up? Is that all the way up or down?
That's all the way down.
And this?
That's all the way up.
So that's park. Reverse, neutral. Alright, that's neutral. Alright. Let's see. Let's see if that helped any.
I think you gotta put air in them.
Alright, I'm gonna move it real quick. See what happens.
Oh, yeah, it's moving. It's moving. Oh.
Okay. The problem is
That was hard?
the carpet. If you want to record the carpet, look at the jack stand where it's at. So as soon as it hits the carpet, then we're in trouble. Alright. So this is the plan. We're gonna take off the two front tires, go put some air in them, come back and bring it out. So we'll be back.
It's moving. Yeah, we're good. Oh jeez. Keep going.
How's it look?
Good. Come on. Come on. Good. More. More. You're good. Okay, more.
Alright, now I gotta move to that. Alright, good stuff. You were able to push it out. It's a little dirty, obviously. It's been there for 23 years. So when we get it back home, we'll give it a wash. We'll clean the compartments inside. And then we'll talk about what the plan is for the restoration on this car. All right. So we're gonna get started. As you can see, my daughter, she's already started on cleaning. We're gonna clean the engine bay, clean the car, get a little shine in it, but then we're gonna go around and talk about all the changes and ideas we have for the car. Go around and see what suggestions you may have for the restoration and some ideas I want for it. You guys can comment later. Thanks. right, everybody, we're done. You want to take a look? We got a little shine out of it. Remember, this car's been sitting for over 23 years. This car has been in our family, and you'll see a picture pop up in a second, since the late 1970s, early 1980s. My dad purchased this vehicle for $200. Yes. Now, as my son here is getting closer to with the car, you'll see that the paint is really bad. Okay, there is 4 layers of paint in here. You'll see a lot of cracks and whatnot. This car originally, the original paint is Sequoia Green. Sequoia Green was the original car color. My dad, he changed it to red, painted it red. I think there's two layers of red and 1 layer of black paint on there. So definitely the paint job will be addressed in the future. Let's get in here real quick so you can see the engine. The engine here is a 307. It's a small block. This is out of the factory, 307. The goal here is to go big block, 396, possibly 454. 396 would be ideal, since 396 was an option for the Super Sport during this year, 1968. So we will definitely be talking about that. Leave some comments and give me some suggestions. I really don't want to go anything too modern, so we're going to try to keep it as original as possible in terms of the time frame when it came out of the factory. All right, let's move on. Rust issues right now, as you can see, the rims, it has a lot of rust. I was able to peek underneath. We'll give you another video later to see how it is when we work underneath. So far it looks like it's pretty good. I'm out here in California, so weather is not too bad to eat through the metal, but definitely we're gonna show another video on how it looks underneath next time. We're gonna go inside. You guys can see inside, it's pretty well taken care of. Again, this is not the original color for the interior. The original color for the interior is black. We are gonna go bucket seats, and we are gonna do black interior. We are gonna go with a horseshoe shifter in the center. When it comes to the differential, I think we are going to go posi on the vehicle. There are some minor dents on the car, not too much. If you guys want to see my video for my restoration on my Ranger, which is sitting back there, you guys can click on it. It'll be on top. I did that with rattle cans. Definitely not going to do rattle cans on this one. We're going to go pro on this one, so we'll see whether I take it somewhere to be done, or I'm going to buy myself an air compressor and do it myself with good quality paint. It's a project I want you guys to stay with me. We're going to be together on this. We'll be posting up videos maybe every other week or month. We'll see. It's a big project, but I definitely want to start it with you guys. Leave comments. Give me suggestions. What do you recommend for the differential? 12 bolt, 10 bolt? You guys make a suggestion and we'll see. We'll go from there. Again, this is a first time me restoring a 1968 Chevelle. I did work on the 86 Ranger, but this is a different monster. This is a classic car. This is a family heirloom. I want to leave it good. So let's get started. See you guys later.